Hello, third grade. Those of you who are at the Google Meet have practiced this a few times already. If you have not practiced this, that is okay. We will learn it right now. So this is a taiko drumming rhythm from Japan. You do not need to have a taiko drum at your house. You could use a bucket or a box. You do need 2 sticks or 2 pencils because you need sticks for taiko drumming, okay? And then I'm going to be doing it. I don't have a real taiko drum either. I'm going to be doing it on this conga drum here. Okay, let me back up a little bit. Okay, get to your big lunge. Those of you that were in the Google Meet know when you taiko drum, you stand in a lunge. You hold your sticks up. You got lots of big muscles there. Okay, echo me. I go first. Don, 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 hop. Don, 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 hop. Don, don, ko, don, saray. So that part you do don, don, and then on the ko you hit the side. Saray. So try that. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Do it again. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Now you just do 4 dons. Don, 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 and then you do don, don, ko, don. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Okay, so let's just try that much. The beginning part, 3 lines. Here we go. Don, 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 hop. Don, 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 hop. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Don, 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 don. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Ooh, here's the cool part. Don, don, kara, ka. Try that. Don, kara, ka, ka. Okay, so the whole thing goes don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka. Here we go. Don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka. Then you do it again. Don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka. The next part, you go out and rest on su. Su, don, su, don, su, don, su, don. Try that. Su, don, su, don, su, don, su, don. Don, do, re, mi, go, ka, don, don. That's everybody's favorite. So you go don, do, re, mi, go. Then you jump and click. Ka, don, don. Try that. Don, do, re, mi, go, ka. And then you bow. Okay, so start at that tricky part, the part that goes don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka. 1, 2, here we go. Don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka, don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka. Su, don, su, don, su, don, su, don, don, do, re, mi, go, ka, don, don. And then you bow. Okay, let's try the whole thing. We'll do it slow. I'm going to move this up a little. We're going to do it slow one time, and then we're going to do it up to speed. Okay, so this time it's slow. Here we go. Muscles out. Just try your best. Ready, go. Don, 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 hop. Don, 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 hop. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Don, 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 ko, don, saray. Don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka, don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka. Su, don, su, don, su, don, su, don, don, do, re, mi, go, ka, don, don. Okay, up to tempo. I actually went a little too fast at the end there. Sorry, guys. Sorry if that was too fast. Okay, up to tempo. Just try your best. And if you have to rewind this a few times, that's fine. Okay, last time. Roll those shoulders back. Here we go. 1, 2. Here we go. Don, don. Oh, I forgot. Ichi, ni, san. Actually, san, ni, ichi. Say it backwards. Here we go. San, ni, ichi. That's 3, 2, 1 in Japanese. Try it again. San, ni, ichi. Here we go. Don, 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 hop. Don, 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 hop. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Don, don, ko, don, saray. Don, 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 ko, don, saray. Here we go. Don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka, don, don, kara, ka, don, kara, ka, ka. Su, don, su, is one of my favorite drumming rhythms. I hope you have a blast playing this. I'm also going to send out a link for you to watch some real taiko drummers to get an idea what it looks like in Japan. And then on Friday, you're going to post your taiko drumming to Flipgrid. Have a good week, guys. See you soon.